Hello guys and welcome to Lightstream TV. This is the application. Once you've downloaded it and opened it, you're going to get to this screen right here where you're going to enter your username, and next you're going to enter your password. I have my password blocked out so that you guys can't see it. Okay, once that's done, you simply want to click the login button. Alright, and as you can see, our username LSTV, you want to click on that. Alright, and give it a second while it loads everything up for you. Alright, and this is the home screen once you've logged in successfully with your username and password. The first thing that I like to do is go to the little settings wheel at the top right, click that, and go to time format, and change the time from 24-hour format to the 12 hours format, and click Save Changes. Once that's done, I like to go to the parental control. Alright, and here in the parental controls section, you're going to enter your password in, or create a password I should say, and here is where you can lock out any of the networks that you don't want. Well, I shouldn't say networks, but live categories or movie categories that you don't want. In this case, we're locking out the adult section. And as you can see, that for adults has a lock on it. Now, if I want to come back and watch it, all I got to do is simply come back to the parental control screen, find for adults, and click that lock and enter my password. Now we're back here at the home screen. The home screen, we are going to start with the series first. In the series, there are two categories here. We have the Spanish and the English. I'm English, so I'm going to choose the English TV shows. And here you have a lot of different options for shows that you can watch the series for. And let's see here, we're going to find one. I'm not going to play the entire movie clip or anything like that. I'm just going to find something and play it so that you can see how it works. Let's see here. And guys, there's also a little magnifying glass at the top right hand corner, which you can also choose if to search within the category series. Alright, so we're looking at Suits. Let's choose season 7. And let's see here. What do we want to watch? Which one do we want to watch? Let's watch the last one here. Okay. It's loading up, and there it is. And guys, I've put this on mute purposely so that it doesn't overpower my voice. And if you notice at the bottom, you see the subtitles are in Spanish. Some of the shows will have subtitles in Spanish, but it does play English. All right. And we're going to hit the back button to get out of all of that. And we're going to go to movies. Movies is pretty much set up the same way. As you can see, there's several categories here. Again, you choose the one that you're interested in. All right, and the one thing I forgot to mention, if you notice, there's a favorites. You can save your favorites series, and you can save also your favorite movies. So here again, there's so many movies here. The easiest way to find what you're looking for is just simply go to that magnifying glass and look and do a search and see if it's there. Not everything is there, but they do have a lot of titles. Okay, and I'm just going to play this real quick. And again, just a little test. We're not going to run the whole thing. All right, and as you can see, it's playing fine. It looks good. All right, and as you can see, the add to favorite. So if I wanted to add it to my favorites, I could simply do that. All right, and let's back out and let's go to live TV. This is the most popular category. This is what everyone's getting our service for. It's because of the live television. All right, here we have dozens of categories. I shouldn't say dozens, but we have a lot of categories here. So just kind of scrolling through it. You got NBA. You do see the not guaranteed, but hey, a lot of times a lot of this stuff plays with no issue. I've not had an issue since using the service. All right, I'm going to start with the English channels. All right, and here you'll see all the networks to your left. Then you can also see a preview of the screen. Right now it's on channel 1, which is A&E. And what I'm doing real quick, I'm refreshing the TV guide. And the way I did that, if you have a Fire Stick, all you got to do is just hit the button with the 3 lines, and it'll bring up that little menu where I was at. So we're downloading the TV guide. Okay, and once that's downloaded, it's going to take us back to the home screen. And all we got to do is simply click back on live TV. All right, and let's go back to the all category. And there we go. If you look right below the picture, you can see the TV guide for it. Okay. Go on to AMC's, and you can actually see the channel. And if you want to make it a full screen, all you got to do is just simply click the OK button again. All right. And to get back out of it, just hit the back button to make it small so that you can search for other shows. All right. And I'm going to show you a quick example if you want to add it to your favorites. And the way you add anything to your favorites with the Fire Stick, simply hold down the OK button, and that little menu will pop up, and you'll get a star. That means just add it to your favorites. Again, hold down the OK button or the Enter button. Just going to do a couple of channels here. Add to favorites, and there go the star again. So let's back out of this. All right, and if you notice in our favorites, we now have 2. All right, and there are the 2 that we saved, the AMC and the ABC HD. And guys, this is what I highly suggest. Right now, I'm just going to remove it from the favorites because I'm not going to use these. But one thing I highly suggest is that all the channels that you are interested in watching, add them to your favorites so that you don't have to keep scrolling through all of these categories to find what you're looking for. Going to go into sports. Now, in this sports section or sports channels here, the networks we have, this is where you find a lot of your ESPNs, college stuff, the Big Ten. A lot of different stuff is here. So this is something you definitely want to scroll through. But if you go back to the all category, you'll find everything that's there. But this is just a lot easier to find what you're looking for a little bit quicker in terms of sports. Right. And just kind of scrolling down to show you guys what's there. Okay. And we are back out. And we're going to go to another one here. One of my favorites is the Entertainment ENG, which simply stands for Entertainment English. Okay, and this is where you'll find all your premium channels like the Cinemax, HBO, Showtime, Stars. All that stuff is here. And there we go, got a full screen. One thing I really like about the service, guys, there is little to no buffering. But it does depend on your internet speed. If you have poor internet speeds, you're going to have issues with this service. One of the things that I highly suggest is simply try out the free trial and see how well it works for you. And if you're having issues, 9 times out of 10, it is probably your internet speed. And that is it, guys. If you have any further questions, please email us at info@lightstreamtv.com. Thank you and have a great day.